Hi, Butler.
Hi, Butler.
Butler, what's new? I'm good.
I'm good too. So, we're gonna make conversation about finding common ground.
Now we start. Hi, Eugene.
Hi, Sunju.
What's new?
Nothing. How about you? How's it going?
I'm not bad.
Okay.
Have you ever been to 전라도?
Yes, I have. I went there by the train.
Wow.
How about you? Have you ever been to 전라도?
Yes, I have. I went to last summer. Yeah? What did you do there?
I have been to Suncheon. It was awesome city.
Wow. What kind of food did you eat in Suncheon?
I have tried 고수 닭갈비. It's very delicious. I recommend you.
Oh, really? I
Yeah.
went. I want to try that too. Who else was there with you?
In my high school, friends named Jinju.
Oh, Jinju.
You know Jinju?
A little bit.
So, have you ever been abroad?
Yes, I have. I've been New York.
New York? Wow.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yes. So awesome.
What kind of attraction did you see?
I saw Statue of Liberty. I went there by the ship.
Really? I want to see that in reality. What else did you go?
I went Central Park in Manhattan.
Central Park.
Yes.
I think it was nice experience to you.
Yes, I think so too. But I'm sorry I have to go now.
Why? That's okay. I'm fine.
Yes.
It was
Thank
nice
you.
meeting you.
Yes, me too. Bye.
Nice talking you.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.